If your Chevy Impala's Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out mid-drive, you are not alone, and the fix is usually simpler than you think. Statistically, over 85% of connection drops in GM vehicles are caused by a worn-out or non-certified lightning cable. Let's walk through the exact steps to stabilize your connection and get your maps back on screen. Start with a clean slate by forgetting the device on both your phone and the MyLink system before performing a hard radio reset. Check your phone's charging port for lint and ensure the USB hub in your center console isn't physically loose or wiggling. Verify that CarPlay is allowed while your phone is locked and try disabling any active VPNs which can block the connection. If it drops when you hit a bump, it is a physical cable issue. If the screen just freezes, it is likely a software glitch. Switching to a brand new Apple-certified cable solves this problem for 9 out of 10 Impala owners. For stubborn issues, perform a deep power cycle by opening the driver door with the engine off to kill all accessory power. Keep a wooden toothpick and a can of compressed air handy to keep your connection points free of debris. If multiple phones fail to connect with new cables, your Impala's physical USB hub may have an internal hardware failure. Clean those ports and swap that cable to get your CarPlay running smoothly again. Safe driving.